Hello everybody and welcome to this Flutter video tutorial. In this Flutter video tutorial, you will learn about Sliver, Sliver Appbar and Sliver list. So by the end of this video, you will be able to make Sliver list and Sliver Appbar as you can see the demo on the screen. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe the channel for not losing the other videos. Let's go in the code and see how we can implement that. As you can see on the screen, I have a main function and a stateless widget with a build method which return material app. At the home it has scaffold with nothing. What is really Sliver is? Sliver is a portion of a scrollable area that we can implement that. So it works with custom scroll views. Inside the body, I'm gonna create a custom scroll view. So what a custom scroll view takes? So it takes Sliver as its children by typing slivers. Inside the sliver, we can go with Sliver Appbar by typing Sliver Appbar, and as a normal appbar we have Sliver Appbar. It has a title, text, typing Sliver Appbar, and what other functionality it has we will come back after we apply our sliver list. So let's go put a comma here and create a sliver list. What a sliver list takes? It takes a delegate, child builder delegate. In its parameter, it takes a context and index for returning multiple child as a widget. So we can put context here by putting context, index for returning the index. In its body, we can return a list tile, which has a title, text, which says this is sliver list or number. Then we can call the index dot toString by putting a semicolon here, and let's run our app. So guys, as you can see, we have a list view. It's unlimited, and also we have our app bar, which is Sliver Appbar. Now one thing more which Sliver child builder has is a child count, which we can give it 20 or any number you want to give it. We will have the same number of tile on our sliver list. So let's save it, and now we have 20 tile on our list view. What is special about the Sliver Appbar is, let's go and implement inside the appbar. As we know what the appbar functionality was, now we use the title, center title, that if we give it a true value and save it, now you can see that the Sliver Appbar comes at the center. Now when we scroll it, the appbar will hide, and when we scroll it again down, it comes along with scroll view. So let's give it another property, pinned is equal to true, and let's save it. If now I scroll it up, the Sliver Appbar will not hide because I pinned it. As well, we can give it shadow color, colors dot any color you want, for example red. Let's save it, and now we can see that we have a red shadow under the sliver bar, and we can give it elevation of 5 to see it better, or elevation of 20, and let's save it. And now we can see that we have a shadow under the Sliver Appbar. What else we can apply to our Sliver Appbar? One more thing, we have a floating. If we give it true value, save it, and also let's comment the pin. So now guys, if I scroll it up, the appbar will hide, and when I scroll it down, it comes along with scroll view and continue scrolling. So let's apply another property called expanded height is equal to whatever you want to give it, for example 100. If I save it, now you can see that we have a height of 100. As you can see, we can give it 200. Now you can see that the height is 200. So what else we can do with our Sliver Appbar? We can bring a picture in the background. So how we can do that? So another property we have is called flexible space, which takes flexible space bar. Inside this, it takes a background. Inside its background, we can give it any background as we want. So for now, I add an image to my assets, and I am going to bring it from asset by typing image.assets, and the URL, my one is images, inside the images slash my bg.jpg. Another property which it has is called fit and box fit dot cover. Now if I save this, now we can see a beautiful background on our Sliver Appbar. So now we can scroll it and you can see that smoothly it works. So for today about the Sliver Appbar, this is it. You can work on other properties also. And let's go to the Sliver list and let's add to this some trailing and also leading. So if you don't know how to customize your list view or Sliver list view, you can visit our video on list views. You will know better about designing a list view. So in here, let's go and put a comma here and add a leading for our list view, which an icon comes at the beginning of our list tile. It takes icons dot call, and let's save it. Now we can see a call icon in front of our list tile. So how we can change the color of that by putting comma here and set its color as you want. Colors.indigo, and let's save it. Now you can see that we have an indigo color applied on our icon. Let's apply trailing to this. We have also tile color that change the background of our Sliver list. If you want, you can change it. We give it trailing. It also take icons dot more vert, means vertical. So let's save it. Now you can see that we have a more icon also at the trailing of our Sliver list. So guys, thank you for watching till the end of this video. If you like the video, you can thumbs up, and see you guys on the next one.